Movements of the Earth. Even though it seems like the sun moves across the sky, it is the Earth that is moving. We do not feel this movement because the Earth is huge and everything on it moves together. Movements of the Earth. The Earth moves in two ways, it rotates and it revolves. Rotation is when the Earth spins on its axis, and revolution is when it goes around the sun. Revolution. Revolution is the Earth's journey around the sun along a path called an orbit. The orbit is an ellipse, not a perfect circle. It takes about 365 and a quarter days for the Earth to complete one revolution. We use 365 days for a year and add an extra day every 4 years, leap year, to make up for the extra a quarter day. Seasons. The Earth's revolution and the tilt of its axis change the seasons. On 21st June, the North Pole tilts toward the sun, making it summer in the northern part of the Earth. This is the summer solstice. At the same time, it is winter in the southern part. On 22nd December, the South Pole tilts toward the sun, making it summer in the southern part. This is the winter solstice for the north. In between these times, when the sun is directly above the equator, we have equinoxes around 23rd September, autumnal, and 21st March, vernal. Rotation. Rotation is the spinning of the Earth on its own axis, which is an imaginary line from the North Pole to the South Pole. One full rotation takes 24 hours, which is one day. Day and night. Day and night happen because of Earth's rotation. When one side of the Earth faces the sun, it is day. When it faces away, it is night. The Earth rotates from west to east, so the eastern hemisphere sees the sun first. For example, while it is morning in India, countries like Brazil and Peru in the western hemisphere are still in darkness. Can you name any other country in the western hemisphere?